body is like a tree. So you're going to bring your foot rooted down into the floor like a tree root. Pick up the foot, pick up the toes rather, spread them out nice and wide, press the entire foot down into the floor. Now we pick up the right leg. Try out a low tree at first, see how you balance. Your right leg is turned out, the left leg is facing the front, so it's a little uneven. The hip is uneven, and that's the feeling you're going to get as you get your leg a little higher. Try and bring the leg a little higher, try and find stability here. If you're feeling fairly stable, you can pick up the leg, pull the foot up into the root of the left thigh. So your right foot is resting right high up on your left thigh. Unless you firm up this thigh, you may feel that your foot is slipping off. So try and stay nice and steady. Firm up the left thigh. Pull up the glute muscle on the left side. Bring your hands to Namaskar Mudra in front of your heart. Open up the shoulders, relax them, pull up the stomach muscles. Hips nice and steady. Try not to sink into the hip. Try and keep it nice and straight. If you're steady here, raise your arms. Bring them up above your head. Massage the sides of your head with your upper arms. Press the palms together. Or you can interlock your fingers and stretch your pointer finger high up. If you don't feel so steady here, you can stay, or you can use a wall for support, whatever feels good to you. Staying here for a little while longer. Few more breaths. Fix your gaze on a spot at eye level, a spot that's unmoving, and stay there for a few more breaths. Gently release the arms and release the leg. Shake that leg out. There's always an imbalance in the body. It sounds strange, but there is always an imbalance in our bodies. One side of you will be more flexible, more open, perhaps stronger, perhaps more steady. So have a look. Have a look at which side of you is more steady. If you're not happy here, first just come to an understanding of how the hips are placed. You can even try a low tree for today. You can just be here if you like. Then come up a little higher. Straighten up your back, firm up the glute muscles, the stomach muscles, pull up on that leg, pull up the thigh muscles, chin parallel to the floor, fix your gaze on a spot. Now with that concentration, but still breathing, sometimes when we concentrate, we forget to breathe. Pull the left foot up into the root of the right thigh, firm up your right thigh, press that foot down into the floor, find your balance. Find your balance between the inside and the outer edge of the foot. Straighten up the back, nice and steady. If you're feeling comfortable here, fix your gaze on a spot at eye level and then raise the arms. If not, you can use a wall for support. It's perfectly fine. Firm up the glute muscles, firm up the stomach. Feel yourself nice and steady. So if you're feeling fairly steady here, you can try and really stretch your arms up. Pull up the stomach muscles, press down into the right foot, and try closing your eyes for a few seconds. See how that feels. Gently bring your arms down and relax the legs, shake the legs out.